cilantro. Get some chicken.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Happy Hour with Ollie! Today we are at Shameless Buns, located in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada.
So you got your little fries, and my favorite, the Lucas spaghetti, and the yellow.
Nice. Alrighty, time for the taste test. First up, this is the corn pinoy.
It looks very fresh. Like bits of green and also red onion and cilantro, and you have the white from the cheese. I think these are fried garlic bits as well.
Time for the taste. It's so good. So it makes me think of the Mexican esquites, but it's a different dimension of flavor, and the fried garlic is everything. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It's savory, it's tangy, it's fresh. There's a creaminess from the cheese and the corn. Oh, so good. Sorry, excuse me. Next up, this is the adobo fries.
Looks so nice. Gonna get some chicken and some fries,
All in one bite. The meat is cooked to perfection. It's lovely and it's fallen apart, so it's soft. And then plus the crunch of the fries and the freshness of the tomatoes and spring onions, plus the aioli. So good. And you can see it's such a lovely plate as well. There's the brown from the meat, the yellow from the fries, green, spring onions, and red tomatoes, plus all the white sauce. Ooh, everything looks like a rainbow. Okay, this final one is the spaghetti lumpia, and it's the chef's favorite.
cut it open. It looks like one giant spring roll to me. See what's inside. Whoa! It's spaghetti.
It's spaghetti bolognese in a spring roll. If that is not fusion, I don't know what is.
Okay, time for the taste test. Let's eat this baby.
The outside is super crispy. It tastes just like a perfectly deep fried spring roll. But inside the spaghetti, it's like mom's spaghetti with too much ketchup in it. So it's got that sweet tomato flavor, and the noodle texture in there is just amazing. I can't describe it. You gotta come here and try this for yourself. To my understanding, Filipino food is an amalgamation of different kind of cultures. They've got the Spanish influence, Japanese, Chinese, Pacific Islander, and Western cultures in general, all melded together in one big melting pot. And that was certainly my experience today at Shameless Buns. I mean, that spaghetti lumpia, who would have thought to stick spaghetti bolognese inside of a spring roll. Oh, deep fried and with that sriracha mayo on top. Oh my gosh, that was to die for. Filipino food, to me, is full of vibrant colors. When I think about the adobe fries, there's the red tomatoes against green onions and the white mayo on the golden fries and that lovely brown meat. It's just lots of beautiful colors and lots of beautiful textures melded together in an explosion of different flavors. So when you're eating it, it's not just, this is good, one good flavor. The good flavor goes boom, 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 boom. All these different elements come together in one really, really tasty dish. That's why I think that eating Filipino food is just like eating a rainbow. Do you like Filipino food? What other foods make you think of the rainbow? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss out on a happy hour adventure with me. Be sure to look me up on Instagram and use the hashtag #HappyHourWithOllie. Until we eat and drink next time, cheers mates! Bye!